FieldNation Job Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get freelance tech and field service platforms wrong. They assume finding quality gigs is complicated and competitive. The surprising truth about FieldNation is how it connects skilled professionals directly with businesses needing on-site work, and you won't believe how much control you have over projects and pay. Here's how it works. FieldNation is a marketplace for IT, telecom, and field service professionals. Companies post projects like hardware installations, network maintenance, or device repair, and freelancers can accept jobs based on location, pay, and schedule. For example, a network technician in Chicago can browse dozens of postings in their area, select jobs that match their skills, and negotiate rates directly. Most people get this wrong. They think all work is low-paying or unreliable, but FieldNation vets clients and facilitates payments, giving freelancers security and flexibility. Additional features include real-time project tracking, automated invoicing, and built-in communication tools. Professionals can build profiles showcasing certifications and experience, which increases visibility and the likelihood of higher-paying jobs. However, there are considerations. Jobs can vary in complexity, and availability depends on location. Most people assume every gig is guaranteed. It's not, so consistent effort and good reviews are essential to secure regular work. In conclusion, FieldNation is ideal for skilled technicians seeking flexible, on-demand projects with verified clients. Its platform simplifies job discovery, management, and payment, while offering growth opportunities through professional reputation. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of freelance and gig economy platforms.